Hello everybody, it's Lee, Ross Rod Shop again, back today with another project. Today I have a rear bumper cover. It is off of a 2009 Nissan Rogue. As you can see, it has some damage right here. Looks like somebody's put some tape on it or something, some kind of sticker or something to cover it up. But we're going to repair this right here today. Sand it down, heat it up, get this back, put a little bit of filler on it, sand it, prime it, all the good stuff. Sand it, wash it, sand it up, get it ready to go back on the car, get this thing out of here today. So stick around and see what happens. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is get this thing heated up and try to push it back into place, and then I'll take my plastic welding clips and plastic weld it from behind. That way I can fill it and do all the work on the front side of it. Okay, now that we've got it kind of lined back up, pieced back together, I'll put a few clips across here to hold it together, and then we can start working it from the front. And guys, I've seen videos where they put these clips on the front side and then grind them down a little bit and work them, and you can do that. It's just these little clips right here. They go in your little gun here, just stick them in the ends like that. I just like putting them on the back side, that way I can work the front without worrying about these things sticking through. Just take it, lay it, put the split where the bumper is split right in the middle of the clip, to where the clip grabs it on both sides. Pull the trigger, let it sink in about halfway, let off the trigger, let it cool just a second, and pull the gun back off of it. And I'll just stick like 3 or 4 across there, and that will hold it in place. Just like that. And I always, when I let off the trigger, I just give the gun just a little bit of a twist. And that helps sink these clips. Which I haven't had any of them come apart yet that I know of. And I've been using these things for a couple of years now. I've fixed lots of bumper covers with these things. And I have repaired, you go back, I have some videos in the past where I have repaired bumper covers that were in a lot worse condition than this one is. There you have it. Those clips are on there. I'll go ahead, I'll take some wire snips and snip the tails off of these clips. And then we'll flip it over and get started on the front side. Okay, now I'll sand this down, get this bad paint off of it, and work this a little bit, maybe put some filler on. I'm gonna have to get this raised up area here down on the corner. There we go. Gotta push down. All right. I never use a more aggressive grit on a plastic bumper than 180. This is as aggressive I'm gonna go, because anything more aggressive than that on the paper tends to tear up the plastic on the bumper. Okay guys, I've got some filler here. I like to use the Bondo hair because it expands and contracts with the weather. Bondo won't do that, or body filler, regular body filler will not do that. So yeah, the fiberglass I think works better for this application than the Bondo. And what I do is I just try to put it on there to fill in the areas, and then I'll go back and sand it smooth. Just like that. Okay, we'll let that dry, and then we'll sand on it. Okay, we got the filler put on there. Now I'm gonna start sanding it. Okay, I've put some finishing glaze on there. Sorry I didn't film it, the battery went dead on the camera. Put some finishing glaze on here to fill in the little pinholes. Then I'll sand it back with some 320, and then I'll prime it. Then it'll be ready for paint. Okay, I've got everything primed, or I got the area primed that I repaired. And as you can see, everything looks pretty good. I'll scuff it with Scotch-Brite and wipe it down with some wax and grease remover, and then it'll be ready for paint. Hey, hey, hey. Okay guys, I'm done with the bumper. Got it back on the car. Pretty simple process. It slides right on there, right into place. You have to remove the tail lights first, but they pop right out. So this one's done. It's going home today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Please click the button. It don't cost you a dime and it helps me out a ton. Check out the link below for the website. I'll see you guys next time.